Welcome to PsycheBites 708, where every sketch tells a story and every line reveals a layer of your mind. Have you ever absent-mindedly drawn shapes, eyes, spirals, or patterns while thinking? You may not realize it, but your doodles are not meaningless. They're silent messengers from your subconscious, whispering emotions you haven't spoken, revealing traits you may not even be aware of. In today's bite, we'll decode the hidden psychology behind your doodles and sketches. Stay with us, because what you draw might just be who you are. Repetitive patterns. Do you sketch repeating lines, checkerboards, or rows of boxes? These may be signs of a need for control, particularly in stressful or uncertain situations. Repetition can provide a rhythm that feels secure and soothing. These kinds of patterns frequently appear when the mind is processing fear or looking for stability. This might just be the brain's method of self-soothing, and it doesn't necessarily indicate a problem. Spirals or circles. Spirals and circles make potent symbols. They are frequently linked to emotional processing and introspection. You may be going inward or navigating personal growth if you see spirals. Circles can represent completeness or a wish for harmony with oneself or with other people. People who frequently doodle these shapes may be trying to connect emotionally, sometimes with something just out of reach. Buildings or structures. Houses, towers, and fences are examples of architectural drawings that usually convey a desire for ambition, security, or structure. When you draw neatly arranged structures or stacked walls, you may be imagining the foundation of your existence or creating a safe place. Long-term planning or aspirations for personal development may also be indicated by this kind of doodle. Creatures or monsters. Drawing dragons, fantastical animals, or odd hybrids is frequently a way to release pent-up anxieties or vivid imaginations. These characters might represent feelings that are difficult to categorize, such as rage, perplexity, or stifled creativity. Your doodling's incorporation of animals demonstrates how deeply symbolic you are in interacting with your subconscious. Dark shading or heavy pressure. Intense emotion may be conveyed through heavily shaded or pressure-drawn doodles. This could be the emergence of suppressed emotions, stress, or irritation. Internal heaviness is frequently reflected in thick lines or darker areas of a page. This isn't always a bad thing. It can simply be an indication of passion or a desire to leave a lasting impression. Nature. Trees, leaves, sun. Sketching. Natural components, such as trees, leaves, or the sun, conveys a desire for harmony, serenity, or spiritual stability. In particular, trees can symbolize personal development or a sense of belonging to one's heritage. These drawings might show up when you're feeling upbeat or need to rediscover your inner serenity. Empty faces or hollow eyes. Drawing faceless or expressionless persons can convey a sense of alienation or identity confusion. Maybe you're having trouble relating to people or feeling emotionally detached. It can also stand for unresolved feelings in relationships or curiosity about your place in the world. Random words or letters. Word fragments or jumbled letters can indicate that your brain is attempting to process something vocally, usually concepts or thoughts that you aren't properly expressing. It could be your inner voice urging you on, attempting to resolve a problem or make sense of your feelings. The bigger picture. Despite their seemingly insignificant appearance, doodles are frequently visual analogies for the ideas running through your head. They provide hints, coded reflections of your current state of being, but they are not diagnoses. Keep an eye on what comes out of your pen. You might be surprised to learn more.